Hey y'all, Bear here. Camp cooking time. I got some meal from the Dollar Tree. Let's cook it up. I'm hungry. Alright, so let's see what I got in my Dollar Tree bag. Cause I'm hungry. I got something on the grill over there, but it's gotta cook for like 3 hours. And I'm ready to eat. So we need something quick to fill the bill. Let's see, I've got suddenly salad. I've got pepperoni and black olives. So there we go. We're gonna cook it up in the old canteen cup. I'm gonna have a little bite to eat while that stuff cooks. And you know, nice thing about Dollar Tree is like this is like the half size of what you get at the grocery store. All right, so we set the seasoning packet aside. And what we're actually gonna do is mix it with a little bit of water and oil. Boil, water, boil. Now the nice thing about these pepperonis from the Dollar Tree is they come in 2 little packs. So you got like 2 servings of pepperoni to work with out on the trail. My water boiling? Almost. Did I say I was hungry? Y'all want to peek at what's on the grill? You're going to see it in another video. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Anybody know what that is? It's coming up. You're going to see it. I think we got a boil, y'all. Oh yeah, she's going good. In with the pasta and the veggies. And we need 11 minutes. So while the pasta boils, I've already added my teaspoon or whatever it is. I've added a little bit of water, adding a little bit of oil now. And we're going to start mixing up our seasoning. Hot, hot, hot. Lost my stove, y'all. It's alright, we got matches. No. Somebody let the water boil over. And if you were going to throw this like back in a freezer bag or something, freezer bag cooking, just mix it right in the bag there. I got a stove acting up because I dumped water in it. And these snack olives have a little thyme, so we're going to have that going for us. And I'm just going to give them a rough little chunk. I'm not going to go super crazy with the slices. Alright, we'll just throw those in there. Pepperonis up in little strips. Now if you wanted it, you could do this first and fry these off in your pan and it'd be like little bacon bits, but pepperoni. You know, I jab my daggone finger with my fingernail. How do I come out here and do all this cooking and playing with knives and stick my own finger with a fingernail? That's silly. Alright, pepperoni goes in. Alright, surely my pasta's done. Let's get it in the bowl. And now we just start mixing it up, y'all. It looks like a good one, y'all. And easy. And so for like your olive oil packets, man, Subway, when you go get a sandwich, just ask if you can buy some olive oil packets from them. They got them there, and some balsamic vinegar too, or red wine vinegar. I think it's a red vinegar. But don't be scared to ask to buy sauces and stuff for camping when you're at the restaurants. You'll get some that won't sell them to you, but some of them will. And if you order enough food, they might just give you a few. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's some Italian happiness there, y'all. Look here, we'll see you on the trail.